Hi, I'm Brett Walker, the CEO and co-founder of Electron Inc.'s Rideables, the makers of CircuitScribe. You may remember us from our first Kickstarter campaign, where we brought you a non-toxic, conductive ink pen that brought your attention to the circuits all around us and taught you the basics of electronics.
Hi, I'm Valerie, and I'm the product designer behind our new line of DIY project kits. These kits help to translate what you've already learned into real-world pen-on-paper electronics. By combining our high-tech ink with accessible and inexpensive paper crafts, our community has created some pretty amazing things at home and in the classroom. We were inspired by the creativity of the community, and with our new kits, we aim to teach anyone how to construct paper electronics that can be used in daily life and take your imagination even higher. The first kit we worked on creating is the DIY drone.
Our paper drone is designed to be made and reconfigured by the user. The kit will come with a CircuitScribe pen, drone components, instructions, and an app to fly your creation. Once comfortable flying your design, start making and replacing the original wings with materials you can draw on at home.
Change the size or change the shape, it's all up to you. Next, we worked on creating a capacitive touch calculator.
Use the included CircuitScribe pen to draw your own capacitive touch buttons onto any piece of paper and connect them to the calculator module. We're already working on a new version that will be solar powered and have an innovative paperclip attachment that will allow you to move from notebook to notebook without a hitch.
Our third kit, Lightwings, was inspired by the floating seeds of a maple tree.
Use our CircuitScribe pen to light up an LED, color your creation, and then toss it in the air and watch it spiral down in a helix of light.
Experiment with adding weight to the base of the seed and see how it affects the spinning motion. Our old kits emphasize education by teaching basic circuitry principles, while our new kits emphasize application by allowing you to apply those concepts to DIY projects using the classic CircuitScribe conductive ink pen to draw the connections. Since our last Kickstarter, we've been working hard developing, prototyping, and testing new products to share with our backers. Now we need your help to take these into production.
We need Kickstarter because these kits are very different from our educational kits. And on the CircuitScribe side, we have been completely customer funded. So this requires new tooling, new production runs, and all those same upfront costs we saw with the educational kits. Check out the available rewards, and thanks so much for your support.
Magpie is the smartest tracking device in the world. It's a rechargeable, very, very cheap unit with over 100 countries available to support tracking.
Before starting Magpie, I worked on several projects. I built a car out of Legos, built my own jet-propelled bicycle. I've also launched a toy into outer space for under $1,000.
Someone showed me the video. Once I saw it and once I met Raoul, I knew we had to find a way to build something together.
A primary driver for me is moving away from the world where I'm creating products and experiences for big companies that don't necessarily add any value to the world.
With Magpie, we definitely want to build something that actually improves people's lives, something that is always there, always on. You don't have to even think about it or consider it, but whenever you need it, it's there for you.
I kept reading about people going missing, and you obviously see as you walk around the neighborhood, pets going missing. This was one of those tiny little problems that seems to perpetuate in the world, and that's essentially how we got to Magpie.
It's removing those moments of anxiety and tension seamlessly with a simple piece of technology. Magpie is built to last. It's rechargeable, has a long-lasting battery, and it's waterproof and dustproof. It's based on GPS technology, which essentially unlocks the world.
That's the main differentiator between a Bluetooth device, which is 30, 50, maybe 100 feet, and something that's powered by GPS that sits on top of a cell network.
So the Kickstarter really is the beginning of a larger vision. We want to bring on people who can be part of the community to evolve this product into what it could be.
Horizon's vision is to allow everyone owning a smartphone to experience immersive, three-dimensional augmented reality. It really is a first of its kind. Horizon uses the technology that you already own to make augmented reality available anywhere, anytime, and to anyone. Your smartphone camera finds the target and overlays virtual images onto your environment, creating vivid three-dimensional experiences. You can use anything as a target: a dollar bill, your coffee cup, or even an iPad screen. With just a tap on our app, a choice of experience, a flip of the phone, and the Horizon is ready to go. Augmented reality lets you dive into a world where your imagination is brought to life. In everyday settings, augmented reality can bring anything from joy and entertainment to real-world practicalities, such as optical learning, hands-on design, and the visualization of models. When designing Horizon, simplicity and usability is at the heart of augmented reality as we had imagined it. With the cardboard, Google brought virtual reality to everyone. With Horizon, we are doing the same thing but for augmented reality. This led us to a product that is both intuitive in its use and only a fraction of the price of current solutions.
We are a small and dedicated team of designers, developers, and programmers. And what we have shown you today are just some of the concepts that we have built to showcase the fascinatingly large potential that augmented reality has to offer. With Horizon, we are giving you the chance to truly experience augmented reality and to combine it with everyday real-world applications. We are excited to be bringing augmented reality to everyone. What we need is an initial investment to cover some of our production costs, but also to kickstart app development. So back us today.
Hi, I'm Daniel, and this is Bethany, and we are the founders of Tech Will Save Us.
We develop toys to help kids learn about the world through technology and play. Today, we're really excited to be launching not one, but 3 new products.
Introducing the Dough Universe.
The Dough Universe is an interactive, squishy play experience for kids to mold and create with light, sound, and movement. At the heart of these products is Electro-Dough, a controller, and a super friendly app to take them through Electro-Dough adventures.
We do the green or blue or white.
Kids are introduced to STEAM principles through one of the most fun and satisfying squishy materials, electronic Play-Doh.
Smash!
They then play, explore, and experiment by creating whatever their imaginations can come up with and discover some of the foundations of real electronics.
Maybe this car is electronic.
With the Light Kit, kids use different shapes and sizes of Electro-Dough to bring their creations to life.
Most importantly, they learn how to make a real circuit.
I made a dragon that breathes out fire that lights up, and it's melting an iceberg.
With the Sound Kit, kids mold instruments out of Electro-Dough to create squishy keyboards.
But actually, they're discovering what Einstein referred to as the wonderful world of resistance.
That sounds like that.
With a Move Kit, guess what? They move Electro-Dough. Kids create moving race cars like magic.
But what they're really working out is how to add rotation and mechanical movement to their awesome creations. Yes, please.
What happens when kids combine light, sound, and movement?
Well, of course, they can unleash the Dino Ball Disco, or whatever magical awesome sauce comes from their imagination. But for real, watching 4 to 6-year-olds unleash problem-solving skills and make sense of electricity through play is an inspiring experience. This is the new normal. Kids as makers, not just consumers of technology.
We need your help to support as many kids as possible to find their innate abilities as digital creators. Support us by pledging to get a Dough Universe kit for a young person in your life.
Your kids, your friends' kids, nieces, nephews, maybe even a grandparent.
Meet Circadia, the world's first solution to tune your body clock using light based on analysis of your sleep. It all starts with our sleep tracker. It's the world's first contactless sleep sensor that models your body clock. Tracking your sleep is the first step to tuning your rhythm. By analyzing your sleeping patterns, the system can model your natural internal clock with unparalleled accuracy. State-of-the-art learning algorithms then calculate how much your rhythms are out of sync, predicting the impacts on your daily schedule. Based on neuroscience, this data is then used to automatically create a personalized lighting program. Using light science, it helps you map your internal clock with the world clock, boosting your mood, cognitive performance, alertness, and helping you sleep faster. The Circadia sleep tracker works from up to 8 feet away, sensing through your sheets and blankets. Highly responsive sensors built into the sleep tracker detect the movement of your body and monitors your breathing patterns with optimal accuracy. Temperature, humidity, light, and sound data from your bedroom enables the system to learn about your sleep environment and provide suggestions to maximize your sleep quality. To ensure you always wake up feeling refreshed, the integrated alarm works together with the Circadia lamp, waking you up at the optimal point in your cycle. From the moment you wake up, your personalized light therapy program runs automatically. With just 20 minutes of exposure in the morning, the Circadia lamp can begin to retune your body clock. Inspired by NASA, it's the world's first portable light therapy solution to tune your body clock. Using the most advanced solid-state lighting technology and a proprietary algorithm, the Circadia lamp emits different wavelengths of light at varying intensities. When you're feeling tired during the day, the lamp auto-adjusts to give you that much-needed alertness boost. It's just as potent as caffeine, but without keeping you up at night. The Circadia lamp is pocket-sized and designed to be the perfect travel companion. The jet lag mode allows you to pre-adjust your body clock before you travel. The insomnia mode helps you power through the night when you need to put in those extra hours. When it's finally time to call it a day, it gradually transitions to a warm hue. It helps you fall asleep faster without harming your natural rhythms. Circadia helps you wake up feeling refreshed, boosts your energy, mood, and concentration when you need it, and when you're ready for bed, it helps you fall asleep naturally. Constantly adapting to your needs as you go throughout your day, it finds and syncs you to your perfect rhythm. Circadia is everything you need to sleep better, work better, and live better.
Inspired by NASA, Circadia is the result of over 2 decades of research in sleep and light science from the University of Oxford and Harvard Medical School. We're a small design team working to bring to market 2 beautifully crafted objects to help you sync your body clock so you can feel more alive.
In September 2016, we moved to Shenzhen, China, the world's capital of electronics, for 4 months, to refine our concepts, work with manufacturing experts, testing hundreds of prototype iterations. With our design finalized and rigorously tested, we are now ready for the help of you, Kickstarter, to help bring Circadia to reality. With your support, we can invest into tooling and scale production.
The journey to a better you doesn't just start with a smartphone, sleep tracker, or lamp. It's much more than that. Let Circadia find and sync you to your perfect rhythm.